Elsa, the Snow Queen, noticed a bright star shining in the sky. Curious, she used her magic to make an ice bridge toward it. Meanwhile, Wendy Darling saw the same star from her London bedroom. Suddenly, Peter Pan knocked on her window, urgently saying, "Captain Hook found enchanted ice magic and is freezing Neverland." Just then, Elsa appeared beside them, sensing powerful ice magic. She promised to help, creating an ice ship to carry them swiftly to Neverland. Upon arrival, they were shocked. Everything was frozen. Trees, rivers, and even mermaids were trapped in ice. Peter led Elsa and Wendy to the Lost Boys, who were huddled around a tiny fire, shivering. They explained Hook had frozen everything. Elsa decided they needed to confront Hook quickly. Captain Hook stood proudly on his ship, holding a glowing ice wand. He planned to freeze Peter Pan forever and rule Neverland. Elsa quietly created an ice bridge, allowing them to sneak onto Hook's ship. Peter distracted Hook, flying around him swiftly. Wendy reached for the wand, but Hook spotted her, aiming his magic. Elsa shielded Wendy quickly. "You can't win with anger," Elsa warned. She sent gentle magic that froze Hook's feet. Realizing his mistake, Hook admitted he just wanted respect. Wendy kindly told him that respect comes from kindness. Hook surrendered the wand to Elsa, who immediately melted the ice covering Neverland. Life returned, and joy filled the island again. Grateful, Hook apologized, promising to be kinder. Elsa created a beautiful ice sculpture representing friendship. Wendy hugged Elsa, thanking her deeply. Elsa and Wendy said their goodbyes, promising to always remember their magical adventure. Elsa returned home feeling joyful, and Wendy awoke the next morning, knowing their adventure had been real. Peter continued his adventures in Neverland, and Captain Hook learned kindness earns true respect. The Lost Boys happily told stories of their brave friends. From that day, Neverland remembered that true magic comes from kindness, courage, and friendship. Elsa and Wendy, looking at the stars, would always recall their incredible winter adventure together.